Aaron. He just purchased this Aqua WK1 for his gas water heater in his home. We're going to show you how to install it today, but first let me show you what's inside the box. First, you have your step-by-step instruction guide, your Aqua unit that you'll mount on the wall, the zip ties to securely attach the antennas to the pipe, and then finally your power cord. So let's go ahead and get started with the installation. So we've installed it on the wall here just close enough to the pipe so we can get the maximum number of wrap windings of the antennas. So now we'll start with the installation. First, plug in the yellow ports into the sides. Then take the zip ties provided. And we'll attach it securely to the pipe before we start wrapping. Wrapping in the grooves. You must follow each groove. Tight as you wrap it, getting a maximum number of at least 12 wraps. And once you get to the end, you'll just secure it with another zip tie. And then you move on to the next antenna. Wrapping it the other way, so one clockwise and one counterclockwise. And again, using the zip tie to secure it. The ports to make it a little easier for installation.